Fed up with those monthly Adobe Creative Cloud fees? Let's cut the cord and walk through canceling your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription in a few easy steps. First, head to the Adobe website and log into your account. You'll need your Adobe ID and password to access your account information. Once you're logged in, you'll likely land on your account overview page. Look for a section labeled Plans or Manage Account and click on it. This section holds all the details about your current Adobe subscriptions. In the Plans section, you should see a list of your active subscriptions. Find the Creative Cloud plan you want to cancel, and you will see a Manage Plan or View Plan link next to it. Click that link. You will now arrive on a page that provides several plan management options, including canceling your subscription. Usually, this option is clearly marked, such as Cancel Plan, Deactivate Plan, or something similar. Click it. You may see messages that try and persuade you to stay or offer some alternative plans, but look specifically for the Cancel option. You will encounter a few screens that may ask you why you are canceling and confirm your decision. Go through the prompts and answer the questions. Adobe might try to offer you a discount or suggest a different plan, but focus on the Cancel Now option. Make sure to confirm your cancellation to finalize the process. Finally, you should see a confirmation screen or receive an email confirming that your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription has been successfully canceled. This screen will often display the remaining billing cycle and the date when your access will expire. Check the email to make sure you have canceled successfully. You're all done, and hopefully saving some money.